Okay, case unboxing. We have the F3. This case actually falls under two brands, so you can get it from CIT, which is you can get the CIT F3, but you can also get it from the same like retailers, but it's under a different brand called Aria or Aria, so it's also called the F3. Price-wise, they're exactly the same. You can get them on Amazon right now for £27 sterling. Obviously, that'll be country dependent. So let's take a look and see what we've got here. It is a micro ATX case. According to the description, anyway, we'll see now. Little trick for opening case boxes. Open at the end. Just means then when you sell the case on or rebuild it, it looks like you never opened the box. You can reseal the bottom. Okay. So this is for a customer build, so they wanted the white case. It also comes in black. Some pretty nice lines on it. It's got vents at the front, on the top, obviously at the back. It's pretty light. I'm not sure what the shipping weight is. Let's see. Actually say what the weight of the case is, but it's one of the lightest cases I've ever actually held. That's this size. Micro ATX. It's 5.9 kilos. Feels very light. Let's go ahead and take the side panel off here. Nice white thumb screws as well to match the case. Side panel is metal. It's actually nice. You can just take the clips to take the acrylic off, which doesn't come in a lot of cases. They obviously don't want you to remove the acrylic. Let's see. This one comes with two 120mm LED fans. This customer wanted the blue to go with the white case. So you get one rear mounted and then one front mounted, which you should be able to see just in there. That is removable. You can also fit a second 120mm fan in the front, and another 120mm up top. See if we can take the other side panel off here. thumb screw is on really tight. So there isn't a huge amount of clearance here at the back for cable management, even though there are a lot of ports. I would say there's maybe 1 centimeter between the back plate and the actual case. There is for cable management in the center. The panel is indented. Oh, you can see that there. So while you may not be able to use the bottom ports for any heavy duty cables, the center, let's see how far this comes up. Yeah, you can actually push them right to the top of the bottom ports right here. You can pull the cables up into the indented part of the panel, which should give you enough clearance for some decent cable management. Got some good clearance at the feet. I'm just going to see if this front panel comes off. There is 2 clips here. It does look like there's room for maybe a 240mm radiator on the outside of the mesh. It looks like enough clearance between the plastic on the front. So you could put a 240 there. You're using something like a H80i, which is just a single 120mm radiator. You could put that up there. It's indented as well, so it would sit up high enough to clear the motherboard. Cable-wise, it's just the usual front panel, which on this isn't actually too bad. You've got 2 USB 2.0, 1 3.0, usual audio ports, but it also comes with a card reader. So you've got trans flash and an SD card. Obviously the reset switch and lights. I mean, all in all, it seems like a pretty good case for £27. Bottom end power supply has 2 bays, 2 3.5-inch bays at the bottom. One has kind of an easy pull-out tray, no screws needed. Not sure why they don't give you 2 of those. So, but you can mount the second hard drive to the rail at the bottom there, and put your other drive on top. And it also has a SSD mount on top here, and then another one on the side, I believe. You've got a couple of extra SSD mounts, which you can put on the sides here. That's pretty much it. The LED fans are Molex. Yeah. Well, I guess either or. I'm still surprised when things use Molex. I mean, there are better options right now, but yeah. Alright, well, that's our unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed the case. We will have a video of us building this for the customer. So check back in a day or so.